Hey, please subscribe, hit that notification button so you never miss any of our videos. But we will get into the video, so let's go. Okay, guys, we are back. My dad is home. He got ice cream, pizza, curly fries. I am so happy he didn't get hit by lightning. So guys, in the last video,
the gold medal.
Yeah.
And then him got that. I will open it.
Yeah. So guys, can I tell you something? Wait, look on the package.
Fingers.
Can you use these actually for fingers?
Yeah. Here, guys. If you don't actually see here, you use them for your fingers. Ew, why did you do that?
ASMR.
ASMR.
I'm lucky. They didn't break it apart yet.
I can't do it. Look, it's like a little elf hat. It's like a little elf hat. Guys, have you got so you saw the one now. Just go in the shower. Just kidding, and we're in the rain. Is there in the lightning, so.
What's up, guys? Give me a bugle. Give me a bugle. Scoot. It's my bag. Scoot. Can you scoot? I can't sit. These are so good.
ASMR.
Let's make this into an ASMR video. A double. Look at 3. 1, 2, 3. Double. Or triple.
ASMR.
Okay.
Look at guys. Look what happened to a big one. ASMR. Bagels are really good if you ever Bugles. If you ever seen this channel, just subscribe and hit the notification button, please, guys.
And if we can get to 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, Bridget
We'll do a back bend.
She will do a back bend, split, and a walkover. Not a walkover, I mean a cartwheel. For you guys. She doesn't know how to do any of that. Only a split. So, in 24 hours, if we get 1,000 subscribers, Bridget will do a back bend, splits, and
a
cartwheel!
and a handstand.
ASMR.